Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here. My name is Saverio Saviello. I'm an Italian solution architect at Autodesk, and today we'll be talking about how, by leveraging digital twins and AI, we can have decision intelligence as a tool that can be used to enhance our operational decisions and drive return of investment in maintenance operations. Did you know that industrial companies lose billions of dollars every year because machines stop unexpectedly? Well, it turns out that the real problem is not in data or the machines, but rather in the decisions made around them. Today, I want to show how digital twins can evolve from monitoring systems into decisions engines. In particular, we look at how operational context from Autodesk Tandem and enterprise data can be combined with agentic AI reasoning to support better operational decisions. We look how, by combining AI-driven decisions, value gets compounded to prevent failure or downtime costs, increasing the return of investment. In the manufacturing industry, unplanned failure represents a massive economic impact. Studies estimate that more than $50 billion are lost every year due to unexpected downtime. At the same time, poor maintenance practices can reduce productive capacity by 5 to 20%. That said, what's interesting is the opportunity that can be disclosed from this. Research shows that improving maintenance strategies can reduce maintenance costs by 17 to 23%, and predictive maintenance with AI can reduce downtime by 20 to 40%. So the question is not whether maintenance optimization matters, but rather how can we make better operational decisions leveraging AI? To make things more concrete, let's consider a scenario. In a production line, a machine maintenance is postponed because it still seems to be working. At some point, the asset fails and the line stops, so the maintenance team has to intervene urgently. Now we have downtime costs plus emergency repair costs. This is actually a very common situation in industrial environments. Reactive decisions lead to failures, failures lead to emergency maintenance, and value is lost along the way. Therefore, a question rises. What if digital twins could help us reason about these decisions earlier? Digital twins are very good at providing insights. They can show us performance indicators, but having insights is not the same as making decisions. Operational teams still have to answer questions like, should we intervene now? Can we defer maintenance? What level of risk is acceptable? If digital twins could support this reasoning process, the value could be significant. We could reduce downtime, avoid unnecessary maintenance, optimize interventions, and ultimately preserve operational margins. To enable this kind of reasoning, context is essential, and this is where Autodesk Tandem plays an important role. Digital twins consolidate information about assets, their relationships, their location, and their operational context. They integrate with systems, connect with device data, and provide dashboards with operational metrics. All this information forms a structured operational context, and this is exactly what a decision engine needs in order to reason effectively. So, the digital twin becomes the data foundation for operational intelligence. If we add a reasoning layer on top of this context, digital twins can start acting as decision engines. In this model, a user expresses an operational intention like, should we maintain this asset now? Agents can then reason about the problem and invoke different tools. Those tools retrieve enterprise context like asset data, maintenance history, or operational metrics. The system combines these inputs and returns a context-aware recommendation by reasoning on enterprise rules. Let's see how such a system can be structured. On the left, we have enterprise context data coming from Autodesk Forma, Tandem, documents, external systems, devices, and databases. All context data is exposed to agent-callable tools using modern protocols as MCP. In the middle, an agentic orchestration layer coordinates multiple agents that reason about the problem provided by the user and interact with these tools. On the right, we have the decision components like failure probability estimation, maintenance simulations, and value at risk calculations. These are the components delivering operational recommendations to the user interface. Let me show now how a short proof of concept of our approach with these decisions engines. Let's look at how decision intelligence can be applied once the data context and custom KPIs are set up. Asset managers can look at high-level indicators to have an overview of all asset conditions, understand their health level, and how many operations have been done in a period. By asking the operational assistant, assets can be ranked based on their remaining useful life or number of operations pending, so that more critical assets in terms of usage and operation spending can be found rapidly. By building custom economic indicators, assets can be ranked based on their repair or daily downtime costs. Advanced KPIs can be built to define the asset's value at risk or risk score. By asking the operational assistant, assets can then be ranked based on their risk score so that the user can decide if it's the case of investigating a particular asset's conditions. By looking at specific assets values like failure probability or value at risk, the user can decide if it's the case to execute a maintenance strategy or defer and set up monitoring conditions. The operational assistant can provide a recommendation by looking at the asset's parameters based on their values and benchmarking with past decisions. When a maintenance decision is to be made, alternatives can be chosen by looking at late or forecasted tasks. Each task has a cost and a failure probability reduction rate so that net savings and return of investment can be simulated. The operational assistant can compare each strategy to find the one with the highest ROI, giving a final recommendation to the user. As a maintenance strategy is chosen, a maintenance ticket can be created by as operational strategies are done over time, the user can check on their actual effectiveness by comparing the expected results with their actual value. That way, strategies can be adjusted so that the operational assistant can improve its performance over time. So, we've seen how, by transforming digital twins into decisions engines, we unlock additional capabilities to create more value in our operations. Digital twins and dashboards are great for visibility as they show the current state of assets and systems, but the interpretation of that information is still left to humans to estimate risks and decide trade-offs. Agentic reasoning adds another layer as it can evaluate context, simulate economic impact, and apply decision guardrails. This leads to better quality decisions whose value compounds over time as a maintenance decisions made today influences costs, risk, and performance tomorrow. Therefore, agentic reasoning can help increasing the return of investment by improving the quality and consistency of decisions every day. So, in conclusion, We've seen how this kind of system can generate recommendations that improve decisions quality over time and drive better operational return of investment. Digital twins with Autodesk Tandem already provide something extremely valuable, a clear understanding of our assets and operations, helping prevent value loss from failures and downtime. The next step is to build on that foundation, enabling digital twins to reason over enterprise data and support better decisions. This means helping teams act earlier, reduce downtime, and continually improve how maintenance is performed. And this is exactly where we can start working together, applying this approach to your specific operations. So, let's evolve together from monitoring operations to operational intelligence. Thank you.